Chaperone. Chaperone. A protein that assists the conformational folding or unfolding in the assembly or disassembly of other macromolecular structures. It facilitates protein folding and remodeling. It assists in the folding of unfolded and misfolded polypeptides by stabilization of folding intermediates and prevention of protein misfolding and aggregation. Misfolded proteins arise as a consequence of cellular stresses, such as heat shock, oxidative stress, as well as pathological conditions. Chaperone increases the cellular pool of native proteins, while minimizing inactive proteins and potentially harmful protein aggregates. Since molecular chaperones have important roles in protein folding and remodeling, modulation of chaperone activity is linked to numerous diseases including cancer and amyloid disorders. Cf. Histone chaperone, RNA chaperone, chaperonin.